Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisoka. Ngicela ngikhohle ukulike nisubscribe. Asingene negaming. Kaizer Chiefs bayishaye 2-1 but-ke decision making yo-coach ukuthi baqalise obani ama-replacement wabo, substitution and everything. What went wrong ngempela laphana? Cause bekubonakala ngathi igame izophela nge-draw and there were times la bekubonakala ngathi Chiefs they can steal it, maybe get a 3 points. What went wrong? I think singaqala la ekutheni bafethu, you can't have a starting lineup esi-different njalo. Ngeke uqale previous game uqala ngabantu, uqala ngoVelebayi, uqala ngoVilakazi, then next game uyabadropa to ebenchini, uyaba-relegate to ebenchini. Cause labantu laba kumele ube ne-first starting lineup sakho understandayo. Abantu ama-player ayazana nanokuthi badlala kanjani, ukuthi okay mabadlala noMduku kumele adlale kanjani, uma badlala noVelebayi kumele badlale kanjani. Ama-player kumele abuild-e i-chemistry. Lento lokuthi ba-understand-ani baqhubeke. I-winning team, you cannot switch i-winning team. You have a-winning team. Ngeke sithi siwine this game ngidlale kahle ungidrophe to ebenchini. And then songifaka la sowubona khona ukuthi i-team iyadliwa. Why couldn't the coaches start with the winning team? Because the guys are flying high. I-confidence banayo. They won a previous game. Why bangaqalanga ngoVelebayi? Why bangaqalanga ngoVilakazi? Sebangena la soku-under pressure, seba-under pressure khona. Because I'm only questioning this because of baluzile. Sometimes uzozama i-system yakhe ikusebenzele. I mean, you can't question i-system vele esebenzayo or esebenzile on the day. But-ke kumele sibheke izinto maybe abanga-improve if bakwazile ukuthola ama-results. But-ke i-team beyileka leyo nto leyo egrawundini ukuthi bebanga-connect man with ease kahle. Umthetho udlalile by the way. Udlalile but ube nephutha elikhulu leli la uPeterson bekumele aphume khona because if he could not deal with i-forward. But-ke masibheka nje igame yakhe masi-rate kahle udlalile kula department le. And then ba-replace abafaka they wanted to hold the game and then i-move engiyi-questionile ukuthi hawu bafaka uGeorge Mahlobo, bafaka uLebohang Maboy. What are they trying to do? They wanna contain ukuthi ba-dominate laphana esiswini na? Fortunately-ke zange bakwenze lokho because you can't concede ikhona ngama-last minute. Well, you can, but-ke make sure that you defend it nice. Well, siyazi uInacio Miguel wenzeni. Ngaphandle kweInacio Miguel ngabe i-draw. Peters usho ukuthi bashawe ama-mistake nje ababulele, but-ke you cannot switch i-team. Kusho ukuthi udlala ama-dice wena. Awazi ukuthi obani abaqalayo, obani ekungamelanga bangaqali. You don't know. Udlala ama-dice ukuthi hayi next game asazi ukuthi kuzoqala bani, yabo. Sazi ukuthi kuwinga kuzoqala bani. uModi akana confidence, ubuye emagamini la beyangadlali kahle. So umqalise ebhenchini even if uyamthemba but and ngeke ngasho ngathi uModi ngibona azoqala because uma ngibheke i-experience unayo compared to amanye ama-player. But ulo uVilakazi mengena noVeleba igame i-pick up-ile i-Chiefs in terms of ukuya phambili. You could see ukuthi i-direct iyazama ukuya phambili. But-ke it was just too late. So ku-late, i-damage has been done. Because of i-team uyibonisa first half ukuthi okay azange uzodlala, badlala nge-best team yabo. What is the best team ye-Chiefs at the moment? Obani i-best team? Because njengoba ngishilo awusazi ukuthi uNgcobo has really performed well this season, better than uCele to be precise. But uCele uyaqala compared to uNgcobo. Why is that? uSolomonzi udlalile kula side lakhe but-ke naye there was something lacking first half sibonile. So any given day, would you start like the game of this magnitude? Would you start uSolomonzi or ungaqala ngoThabiso Munyane? Because uyadlala uSolomonzi to be fair, but even na last game bamreplaceile uThabiso Munyane wangena nebalance mengena lapha. Because kulela side la Thabiso Munyane or ku-right back, Thabiso Munyane everything he does man is close to perfection. Solomon siyazi ukuthi unama-moments wakhe okuperforma. Angisho ukuthi uperforme bad, but uperforme bad first half. I think into emsurvivisile, I thought bezomreplace mina to be honest. Into emsurvivisile leli goal lakhe meshaya igoli but hayi yabona-ke mayisekahlala because of ne-confidence. Yesu basizile ngokubuyisa i-team egamini but it's not better than uThabiso Munyane to be honest. It's not. Unama-player nayi lento le uInacio Miguel is guaranteed ukuthi uzothola i-yellow card almost every game utholela i-yellow card. So ne-senior player elingakwazi ukuzi-container too reactive, uthola ama-yellow card unnecessary, and then wenza ama-blunder abhedayo, cost i-team i-3 points. Well, it's not okay. It was gonna be 1 point, but I know it was important ukuthi bathole lelo point lelo le away from home. It was gonna be nice. Njengoba uLebo Hangmaboy beshilo kule interview yakhe or mekhuluma nemedia ukuthi kubalekile ukuthi bathole something, or if bayakwazi ukuyiwina igame against Al-Masri babuye ehome na something, because the game, to be fair, was there for the taking. It was there ukuthi bakwazi ukuyithatha igame, but they could not take it. It was just there. They were very calculative in terms of going forward. You could see, okay, the most embarrassing thing ngikhulume ngayo, kunini ngikhuluma ngayo into yakhona, and namhlanje nama-commentators ayisho into yakhona ukuthi hayibo ulo oyigadaro bayidanger kanjani bafethu, because of ubamba ibhola le i-center yakhe ngale kwe-center yakhe, so uzoba i-danger kanjani, uzodeliver kanjani, uzoyisiza kanjani i-team if uzobambela ibhola ekudeni kanje, ekudeni kangaka. I mean, uzosiza i-team kanjani, ufuna operate kanjani, uyi-number 9 enjani. Yilento into ekumele siyiquestione, noma kuthiwa i-team iwine kwesinye isikhathi, but kumele siyiquestione lento le. UCedric Keze went to the public, ku-media, mekhuluma ne-media laphana ku-conference, ekhuluma ngokuthi ama-player kumele amake noma kuthiwa udlala yiphi position. Usho ukuthi batshelwa bonke ukuthi uma ungena, i-priority yokuqala yakho wena noma kuthiwa yi-striker, but your main priority is ukumaka. So udlala i-defensive striker, no, even no Silva mengena naye, the sense of agency in a way, but-ke ungale kwe-18 isayidini lakhe man, isayidini lakhe ngale kwe-center, ngale kwe-center. So noma bamba ibhola uyambona ukuthi Silva is not comfortable ukubamba ibhola ukuthi aphase kahle, enze zonke izinto right. Ufuneka eboxini kuphela ukuthi nje bamnika akwazi ukuliqedelela lishaye, bamnika 10 ashaye, but they did not afford uSilva leyo nto le. Bamfuna abe-ball maker noma abe-ball player, abe-creative, ahlanganise ama-play le ngase-center eze ngase-boxini. That's not gonna happen. It's not something that you see from uSilva. Udingeka eboxini. Yabona uyigadaro ugeneral in terms of ukuhold ibhola, ukumuva nalo kahle, ukwenza everything, but wenza kuphi lo, ucomfortable le kude. Mina I said when I spoke about this game ngathi mingakaqali ngasho ukuthi uyigadara I wish abambe ibhola close to i-box la azobanika khona i-problem. So ugcina ungasamboni igadara, kubonakala ngathi udodwe player, and lese iplayer dlala kanje isizini yonke, kusho ukuthi liba yifail, isizini yakhe uba yifail kuleyo season leyo. Kanti uma ubheka isystem abamdlalisa yona or adlala yona under o-coaches, or into atshelwa yona ukuthi ndoda wena into kumele uyenze ukuthi kumele u-assist ukumaka. Uyigadara if you-assist ukumaka uyobamba ibhola ngale, it means that i-defense ye-opposition iba nesikhala esikhulu, iyabona ukuthi asiyitholeleke la. They don't work hard, they're always on the ball, noma kuthola ukuthi u-dangerous u-Igadara ubamba ibhola but kude, beating one player, or alibeke phansi akwazi ukulishaya ngomzimba i-player or alwine, but usasekude, ayikho into, he can't shoot, he can't do anything. I was expecting ama-crosses for Igadar ukuthi bamthole. First half I think it was first half if angilenzi iphutha, bamtholile laphana kayi-1 ngekhanda. It was on target but it was not strong enough. It showed that moment, just one moment, it showed ukuthi lo muntu udingeka eboxini. Bakhona o-coach, because angithi abantu bayi-emotional and judge based on ukuthanda, and there's no way ulo uphumelele ngo-coach abawu-2. Kuzokwenzeka nishayisane ngamawini, ngashayisana ngamawini nigcine nifike ku-final wento, but-ke ngeke ube nabo-coach abawu-2 bafethu, ngeke. Namhlanje bokucoacha uBen Yusuf, next game kusho ukuthi bayashentshisana. Next game sobona ku-Cedric Keze ophakamayo, ubanika different instruction. Kusho ukuthi lo set ischeme sakhe nalo ozongena uzoset ischeme sakhe, bayashentshisana labantu laba. There's no continuity ukuthi okay, these are the players that won us the game. Nelson ngena omunye ucoach ukuthi kuthiwa namhlanje uwe koyi-head coach, nawe ngena ubone mfethu siyashentshisana, sibone ukuthi ubani ozowina amagame amaningi, possibly lo wenze kangcono between the two uzonikwa i-opportunity yokuthi alo abe yi-main coach or abe yi-head coach. Isebenza kanjani lento leyo kuba yi-head coach? I mean, be like try and contain the team and build the team well balanced. Decide if ufuna uku-attacker, decide if ufuna ukuba defensive, khetha okukodwa. Cause yabo i-defense yona isebenzile i-defense angaze iblockhe amabhola awu-2 like bokuwamagoli amabhola lawo because bokuyi-on target. It's even close to Peterson bablockhe kawu-2 laphana. Ubani uMagisha or ubani lo bekabahlupha lesa striker lesa Sivesa ngike ngakhuluma even nangaye laphana. Uthola ama-chances awu-2 ugood in terms of ukuhold ibhola avese and bokwama-sliding ukuthi bablockhe laphana. Blockhe first half ubani uCross na second half kwablocker. Can't remember ukuthi second half ublockhe bani but-ke that thing was written ukuthi iba igoli. I-defense they were too open. Mebeza labantu laba yazi khona le what is this chance khona i-chance engiyibonile manje ngiyayikhohlwa la ucele ugijima emuva kweplayer akafuni ukukhomitha bayadlala but le player leligijimisa ibhola liyogcina kule player lela ligijimisa but akaligijimisi serious uyafake wenza ngathi uyagijimisa but it's not even there. So i-commitment engakanani-ke leyo cause every player idinga i-commitment, every player idinga ukuthi to give everything to the game or for the team. Mfundo Vilakazi ungenile waba nalawo ma-moments wakhe but i-energy beyingafani because of akaqalanga ne-game. Maybe if uqale ne-game bekazuza ne-energy different. But hayi ziyakhala bafowethu. Ziyakhala. It's a beauty of football, and obviously the people who are supposed to carry you, they don't carry you that much. They don't have ideas or creative ideas to make sure that the team gets good results. They're able to hold the opposition. Uthi ama-oppositions angabaniki inkinga zonke lezo zinto lezo abakwazanga ukuzenza laphana. So yeah, man, it's a disappointing loss having to come back from ilo back leader, you equalize, you coming back, and then there are moments like bonakala ngathi I control the game but only to lose like this. Angazi bathi umuntu menza iphutha lesela ka Inacio Miguel ngcono ke manje khona namanye ama defender khona uMcCarthy fully fit khona Given Msimango fully fit naye for i-competition laphana emuva kuzoba nzima kakhulu. Bayeke lento lokudlalisa ama-players ngokufavor, badlalise based on contribution, real contribution. Babheke ukuthi ugodi umuntu yazi Inacio Miguel kurare ukuthi ngimbona athatha ibhola clean kumuntu. Uyakwazi ukulihead ibhola mali phezulu, uyakwazi ukucontribute in terms of ukudlalisa ama-player wakhe, but kurare ukuthi bamlande awine ibhola or balikompithele like ukuheader akhona ama-advantages wakhe but uba mark ispace isikhathi esiningi and I also saw ubani Cross same thing. Cross umark ispace. uCross ugood kakhulu bafethu medlala, ucomfortable medlala but umark is European and e-Africa kudlalwa different bafethu ku-continental level. But ngicela ukuyibamba la, ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe if you love the video. Thank you bafethu. Disappointing for Chiefs.